In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PayPal account and automatic feed to Xero. 5 minutes. First, open your browser and head to the Xero login page. Click the login button, then enter your Xero credentials and continue. If you use multi-factor authentication, complete that as well. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Xero dashboard. From the dashboard, look to the top left and click your company name to open the organization menu. Choose Settings to access your organization settings. In the Settings area, find Payment Services. This is where you connect third-party payment options so customers can pay invoices online, and where Xero can receive transaction data automatically from supported services. Click Add New Payment Service. You'll see several options. Choose Add Other to view additional providers, then select PayPal. Before you proceed, a quick tip. Make sure you have a PayPal account set up and that you know which email address is linked to it. If your business accepts multiple currencies, confirm that your PayPal account is enabled for those currencies so your feed and payments line up neatly in Xero. Now, fill in the details for the PayPal connection. Typically, this includes entering the PayPal email address that receives payments, a display name customers will recognize on the payment page, and any optional settings Xero prompts for. Look for options that let you enable PayPal as a payment button on your online invoices. Turning this on means customers can click Pay with PayPal directly from the invoice they receive, which speeds up collection and helps automate your workflow. If you see settings related to fees, note how you plan to account for PayPal fees so they're easy to reconcile later. You can refine the exact account mappings after the connection if needed, but it's helpful to have your preferred expense account in mind now. After you've entered everything, click Save. Xero will create the PayPal payment service and complete the connection. From here, Xero can start pulling PayPal activity through the automatic feed where available, and new online invoices you issue can include a PayPal payment option. If you just set this up, give it a little time for the first transactions to appear. When they do, you'll see them show up for reconciliation, allowing you to match payments and keep your books tidy. That's it. Log in, navigate to settings, open payment services, add PayPal, complete the details, and save. You've connected PayPal to Xero and enabled the automatic feed so you can get paid faster and reconcile with confidence.